I'm Ashley. Today I'm going to be making a spiced yogurt grilled leg of American lamb. American lamb is so delicious, and a lot of times we just think of it in terms of a nice fancy Easter feast, but we're actually going to be taking it out on the grill. It's super easy, very impressive. So let's get started. We are working with this beautiful leg of a lamb that we asked our butcher to trim and cut for us down to the size that we want. This is about 4 pounds. We're going to generously season it with salt and pepper. All right, in this marinade, we have lots of delicious spices, including coriander, caraway, and cumin. So we want to bring out the flavor of those spices, and we're going to do that by toasting them in a medium-high pan, just for a minute or two until you can really start to smell it. We're using the whole seeds here, so we can toast them and grind them ourselves to get the most flavor. Put them into a mortar and pestle. You can use a spice grinder if you want. And then I'm going to grind those. Okay, to this mixture, we're gonna add in some smoked paprika and dried mint. Just mix that up just a little bit more. Then we have 2 cups of whole milk yogurt. We're gonna add our spice mixture to that yogurt. This is gonna act as our marinade and then also our sauce in the end. So to this mixture, we're gonna add 6 cloves of minced garlic. And then we'll add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Okay, we're gonna reserve half of this yogurt mixture to serve with the finished lamb, and the other half is gonna be used as a marinade. We just want to generously spread this all over that leg, making sure that we're getting it all over, and marinate the other side with the remaining. Okay, our lamb has been marinating overnight in the fridge. I took it out about an hour ago just so it kind of takes the chill off of it. But here, we're gonna go ahead and put it on a very hot grill pan. I'm gonna cover it in a bit of oil, try and prevent some sticking. We're just gonna let that cook and sear for about 15 to 20 minutes per side. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 135 degrees. We'll let it rest, and it comes up to temperature to 145 degrees, which is like perfectly medium rare. All right, our lamb has been cooking for about 15, 17 minutes. It's got a good bit of color on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. Those charry bits right there, I tell you what, don't be worried about that at all. That is some delicious flavor. All right, I'm gonna take the temperature of the lamb. We're looking for around 135, 140. We're there, perfect. So we're gonna remove it from the grill and onto the cutting board, and we're gonna let it rest for at least 20 minutes. Just let those juices distribute, and we'll be back. All right, our lamb has been resting for about 20 minutes, so let's go ahead and slice into it. All right, here we have a beautiful medium rare. If you want to cook it a little bit longer, just throw it back on the grill. You can even finish it in the oven if you're doing it on a grill pan like we did here, but this looks perfect. So I like to serve this super simply. Just cut the slices on a board like I've done here. Serve with some grilled flatbread, and of course, that incredible spiced yogurt that we use for the marinade. Now that's also our sauce. And then just cover it in fresh mint. People can make little sandwiches, whatever they want, but this is a stunning presentation. All right, make sure to ask for American lamb. It's the perfect choice for your next outdoor feast.